Hello everyone. Now let us consider the next example, a 22nd example. That is where to find Laplace of sine hyperbolic t into sine 2t. This is normal angle. This is sine, cos, like this is a normal angle. This is a hyperbolic angle. Okay. In every example, wherever sine hyperbolic or cos hyperbolic is there, you have to convert it first by your mathematical expression for sine hyperbolic and cos hyperbolic. Here sine hyperbolic t is there. First step of our example is you have to convert this sine hyperbolic, whatever the angle is. Sine hyperbolic t formula is e raised to this angle, e raised to t minus e raised to minus t upon 2. Okay, put this value in this equation, in the expression, what we get. Our example is Laplace of sine hyperbolic t into sine 2t is equal to Laplace of this sine hyperbolic t value into sine normal angle 2t, normal trigonometry. Okay, now we have to solve this. Take 2, just first take all the constant outside, that is 1 by 2 is a constant, take outside, and Laplace of this bracket is this bracket remains e raised to t minus e raised to minus t into this sine 2t as it is. Now take this sine 2t inside this bracket, rest of the things as it is, half Laplace bracket e raised to t into sine 2t minus e raised to minus t into sine 2t. Now this comes under exponential property. Okay, we are studying exponential property where one function is there and exponent, any exponent, either it is positive or negative indices is attached. If it is attached, then we have the one property that is called first shifting property or exponential property. Now this is the e raised to t sine 2t and this is e raised to other indice e raised to minus t, same function sine 2t. Okay, now take Laplace inside to this each expression, that is Laplace of this term minus Laplace of this term. Now we have to find out Laplace of these two terms separately. Okay, what is this? E raised to t exponential property, again here also exponential property to the same function. That's why we have to find out what exponential property says. We have to find out the Laplace of the function attached to this exponential. What is the function here? Sine 2t is the only single function for both the both the expression. That's why Laplace of sine 2t, we know it is a standard formula for Laplace. Sine a, this is a value is 2 upon z square plus this 2 square is 4. By sine formula, Laplace of sine formula only. Call this as phi of s by using exponential property. You have to call it as phi of s, and we are not using phi 1 and phi 2 here because in early example here the expressions or functions attached to these exponentials are different. Here t square, here t cube. That's why we call it as phi 1, phi 2 and phi 3. Okay, here that is not the case. Here a function attached to this exponential is only sine 2t, same function. That's why we are using only one phi of s. Okay, remember this two difference. Now call this as call it as phi of s. Now consider first Laplace by using exponential property, where what we get, or by exponential property or first shifting property. In exam you have to write all these things. Okay, Laplace of e raised to this first term, e raised to t into sine to t is phi of, we have to replace s by s opposite of minus 1, a plus 1 here. Okay, what is the number attached to the a, attached to the t is a. By property we call it as a. What is a? That is 1. That's why we have to replace by s minus 1, opposite of that. What is phi of s minus 1? Just replace everywhere here s by s minus 1 here. Okay, what is the answer for this Laplace? 2 upon s minus 1 bracket square plus 4 as it is. Now just simplify. 2 upon s square minus 2s, that is bracket square formula, and plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5. This is first Laplace. Now what is the difference between this Laplace and this Laplace? Just it is plus, it is minus. That's why either you can solve this like this or you can write it as similarly. Okay, in exam you can write it as similarly. Now here we are solving in detail. L of e raised to minus t, Sine 2t is nothing but phi of here minus 1, opposite of that plus 1. Phi of s plus 1. Where phi of s plus 1 is, just replace s by s plus 1 in this phi of s. Answer is 2 upon s plus 1 square plus 4. Okay, that's why answer is expand the denominator square. S square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5. Okay, this is our answers for these two Laplace, or ultimately our answer for this example. Now put this value, two values in this equation. We get Laplace of this sine hyperbolic 2 into this is equal to half, and these are our two answers. Okay, this is our last solved answer, but we have to simplify. Okay, now these are the two very simple and similar terms. That's why just cross multiply. Before that, get 2 outside and cancel with this 2, and 1 upon this as it is, and minus 1 upon this term. Okay, now cross multiply, we get s square plus 2s plus 5 minus this all term gets opposite because minus is sign there, minus s square plus 2s minus 5. All those terms gets cancelled, only plus 2s 4s remains, and denominator multiplication of these two as it is. Okay, this is the answer. Now consider other example which includes hyperbolic function, cos hyperbolic. Here in earlier example we have studied sine hyperbolic and sine hyperbolic, sine normal. Here we are considering cos hyperbolic and cos normal. Okay, in any case, in any combination, you have to follow one rule, that is you have to convert the hyperbolic function into exponential function, or this formula. Okay, now here cos hyperbolic t is there, which formula is e raised to t plus e raised to minus t upon 2. Put this value in this expression, we get this equation. Okay, like above only. 1 by 2 take outside, cos this bracket as it is, take cos inside, we get e raised to t into cos 2t plus e raised to minus t into cos 2t. Take Laplace inside as it is in our exponential property or first shifting property. Laplace of first term plus Laplace of second term. Now in first and second term also both the functions are same, that's why we have to just calculate Laplace of cos 2t once only. L of cos 2t is equal to cos 2t Laplace is s upon s square plus this 2 square 4. Call this as phi of s because we are using exponential property after that. Okay, therefore from 1 here Laplace of, now we can directly write it in this above equation, or you can calculate the separate answers and then put the those values in the given equation. Here in early example we calculate separately. Here you can add it directly. Okay, therefore Laplace of this cos hyperbolic t cos 2t becomes half as it is. Laplace of this becomes, this is cos 2t Laplace. Okay, and exponential property says phi of s, opposite of that minus 1. In this Laplace, just replace s by s minus of this number. This is the exponential property. That's why here we replace Laplace of cos, everywhere s replaced by s minus 1, and here everywhere s replaced by s plus 1 in the Laplace of cos. Okay, therefore what is this phi of s minus 1? Everywhere replaced by s minus 1. Here s plus 1 in same expression, cos of 2t Laplace. Okay, this is our answer. Now just simplify. Denominator only, simplified denominator, a square minus 2ab plus 1 plus 4, that is plus 5, a square plus 2s plus 1 plus 4, that is plus 5. In this case numerator is very having more than one term, two terms are there, that's why don't simplify it, just keep it as it is. In early example there is only constant or single term is there, that's why we have to solve this thing. Now next, if both hyperbolic both terms are hyperbolic function, in that case also we have to put both the hyperbolic values. Okay, here Laplace of sine hyperbolic 2t into cos hyperbolic 4t. Okay, what we have to do, just put values of sine hyperbolic 2t here and cos hyperbolic 4t. What is sine hyperbolic 2t formula? E raised to 2t minus e raised to minus 2t upon 2. And cos hyperbolic 4t is e raised to 4t plus e raised to minus 4t upon 2. Put these values in this above equation. For example, what we get, this bracket into this bracket. Take first constant outside, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4 outside. Okay, and these two brackets are as it is in the multiplication. Now we have to multiply this bracket by each term or simplify these two brackets. What we get,